Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Java 21 on Windows 10 or 11. It's the same process for both Windows, so let's get started. Search for Oracle Java on Google, the first link, and you will end up over here. At the top right corner, you just need to click on Download Java. After that, you will end up over here. You can see that this is Java 21. Click on Windows, and under Windows, we need to go for 64 installer and download this one. So I have already downloaded. So I'm going to open this and install this. So once you open that, it would seem something like this. Click on next, and this is the directory where we are going to install. Make sure to remember this. Click on next, wait for it to install. Once it is installed, click on close. Open your C drive, go to your directory. I'm going to find that. And after that, once you're in your directory, click on bin and make sure to copy this directory. What we are going to do now, after that, we are going to search on Windows environmental variables. So this is how it looks like. Make sure to open this. Once you open that, this is how it looks like. Go and find path, double click on it and click on new, and you are going to paste that directory over here. Once you paste that, make sure to click on OK again and open your command prompt and search for Java space -- version, and you can see that it shows that my Java has been installed successfully. So let's create a new and first program from Java. So I'm going to create a folder in my D directory, and here I'm going to click on write, click on new and go for the text document. Name anything you want. I'm going to write demo, and after that remove txt and write Java. Once you enter that, click on yes, and you can see this is the Java file now. Let's open this with Notepad, and here I'm going to write a program. So once you enter your program over here, as you can see, make sure to click on save. After that, we need to open this file in CMD so we can see that it is working or not. So click on your directory at the top and you just need to write CMD. So it will open up in CMD file. Once you enter that, you will end up over here. First of all, write Java C and write your file name and click enter. After that, you just need to write Java and make sure to name the same file over here and click on enter. If you see any error, that means your code is not correct, and if you don't see any error, that means your program is working. So that's it. This is all you need to know, how to do it, how to install and run your program. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.